So I just entered the room now, and as you can see, it's relatively spacious. We've got 2 big beds on there. So this is the problem, coming with 2 children. Of course, it means that we inevitably have to share beds with the kids, because they don't get extra ones in here, extra beds for us. So that means that we're going to have to share. But cause it's better, because if we had the 2 kids sharing, well then, you'd never sleep, would you? So first thing you notice, they look quite decent sized beds as well, and they seem quite comfy, which is good. And we've got a really nice picture of one of the piers there, which is really nice. I'm not sure which I think that's the old wagon wheel, isn't it there? So it could well be, yeah. And we've got paid for a sea view. You can't really see anything here. I'll show you in the morning when we've just arrived now. But we have got a sea view, and you can see the promenades there, but I mean, because of the light, it's all reflecting, but I will show you the view in the morning, because it's quite good, because we are right on the sea, which is absolutely fantastic here. Got a decent desk area here, just ignore my bag, I've literally just dumped it there, we've just come in, and so it's a decent desk area there, a nice sized television there as well, with all the tea and coffee making facilities there, and a couple of glasses too. So I'll take you down to the bathroom and I'll show you in there as well. Oh, there's Robin doing a little dance for us as we come down this end, and Eden's doing one too. So we've got a nice sliding, it's very, very heavy. So there's a sliding door here to get into the bathroom, and it weighs an absolute ton, that. It really, really does. It takes quite a bit of strength. I know Robin was struggling with it when we came in. And here's the bathroom. It's a nice enough size, and it looks quite clean as well, which is really good. This is our first time staying here as well. I'm not sure if I mentioned that, but we haven't stayed here before. We stayed at the Big Blue and the Boulevard Hotel, which are absolutely lovely hotels. And we just wanted to stay somewhere different this time, and it's really, really nice, and it looks really clean, and it's Hampton by Hilton, so you know it's going to be reputable as well. As you can see over here, we've got a decent sized shower as well, and within the shower you've obviously got your all your abilities to be able to make it hotter and colder and all that stuff, but you've also got your soaps and shampoos and conditioners and body lotions. It's all fixed on the wall, so nobody's going to be nicking them. But so it's handy enough that we've got it there, so if you've got it, it's available for you. There is shaving sockets as well available, you can see on the mirror there, and it looks like, I think it is it's a heated mirror as well, so that's decent if you're having a shave as well. So that is the room tour.